We're just about to leave for the day, but I thought I would just show you how the toilet works. Looks normal, except there's wires here and there's this stuff going on here. So what you've got to do is cover up this area here. It's hard to do with one hand. And press the button. I'm going to cover it up with that. And then I'm going to press the button that says shower. There it goes. See the power? Here it comes. Just hit the back of the bath. Stop. That is amazing. It'll get you clean. Last night,
his wallet. He was being very dumb.
Last night, as we were going back on the train,
and then he started swearing a lot.
No,
and
I didn't swear at all. Actually,
oh, you did?
No, I didn't. So, decided I was going to go back on my own to the little barbecue cafe that we were in. And as I walked in, the man looked at me, didn't have to say anything, and just passed the wallet over. Right now, we're trying to rush across town so we can get a train to Nagano. Tokyo station, and we're about to buy Japanse tickets. Just arrived and there's quite a big queue for tickets. There's our train, 12:04. Okay.
To adult, one time.
Brilliant.
Okay.
Thanks very much. This is the Bento box stand. We're getting some lunch for our train journey. There's loads of things on these menus. Get them in a little plastic box.
One tuna and one beef.
Wasabi inside, okay? Wasabi.
Yeah.
Okay. 40 to 20 yen. Card okay. Please insert card. Wait a minute, please. Okay, okay. Number okay. Number okay. Hi. Take all okay. Hi, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
I think Emma's quite happy that I lost my wallet last night, because it means it's no problem that she lost her phone. And that'll be good. What's it like green?
Yeah. Can you put them up?
Just taking a picture of our bento box. Mine's out, ready. Obviously Emma's finished. I thought it was shelled, but it isn't. It's quite soft. Looks a bit better now, it's been chopped over. Tried a bit with the yolk, looks better. Just got to Nagano. Definitely not as busy as Tokyo. Found this really big department store. Xmas Cards, hopefully in Japanese. Strange thing is, there's no hieroglyphics anywhere. Scrubbing brush in the shade of bacon. This place covers just about every angle. And shisha. No shortage of pot noodles or UFOs. The beer collection. There's some Asahi down here. Where? Oh yeah. When we looked at the guidebook, it said there was only one shrine in town. But we've already seen 3, I think. First time I've seen a supermarket. Oh wow, that looks big. Fruit. Haven't seen fruit anywhere. Got a whole section here. No idea what it is. That's probably cheese. Not sure what this is. It's squidgy. That stuff. There's a bigger one there. So here's a packet and you don't know what it is. Use Google Translate.
Using my phone, by the way.
Cheese in, put me on, Korean style. Or this, you'd have no idea what it was. Hold up Google Translate. 8 kinds of vegetables with sauce dry curry. Shop there called Hard Off. And this is back towards the station. Usual rice dishes. It's very functional, but not very pretty. He didn't want to be on film. That looks a bit more original. We are in the Japanese curry house and we've got our starters that come with a meal. There's a red bit there and some, not sure what that is there, and a bowl of soup. We didn't order the starter section, it just appeared. I had the chicken curry and I had a fish topper on top, which is like a giant fish finger. Here they are, chatting away to each other. Oh! That's an toy gun shooting bar. That is an AK-47. It's not as exciting this crossroads.